Hello Insure Hollardites. I hope you and your loved ones are keeping safe and well as COVID-19 continues towards its peak in South Africa. Now is the time that we must be especially careful and appreciate the impacts of our individual actions on both our communities and the broader society. In a similar way, our individual commitment and dedication to Hollard Insure during this time is key to our collective success. I've been blown away by the hard work and long hours you've all been putting in, and your resilience in adapting to the new ways of working and all the new IT that comes with it. What's really important about what we've been doing over the past few months is not just about facing COVID and lockdown, but that we've continued working towards our long-term business goals as underpinned by our 7 strategic imperatives. So the imperative I'd like to discuss with you today is the one about being a leader in assessing and pricing risk. Hollardites on the front line will know how critical it is to get this right. After all, effective risk selection and risk management is at the heart of everything that we do in the insurance industry. And insurers that best manage risk will not only survive in these uncertain times, but they will thrive. So I'm very pleased to report that we've made significant progress in our initiatives to support this strategic imperative. And I'll speak briefly about the highlights of what we've been doing. First of all, the Nespresso program is nearing completion. This important program had several legs which have been embedded now into the business. These include developing the quoting process through CQT and applying scientific rating, revamping our underwriting guidelines, automating our new business process and eliminating duplicate capture when quoting, and then making the policy live on the Kundu. This also includes automating the reinsurance requirements, referrals, and server requests. We've improved the portfolio management by providing tools to track performance and include geolocational information for the underwriting process. We improved the renewals management with automated screens and renewal rates. Big thanks to the Nespresso team for all the hard work in making this program a great success. On the pricing side, our team's been very busy and we've completed the 18-month journey to develop scientific pricing models for all sections of our commercial product. This important work ensures appropriate premiums are charged and to date has generated over 100 million in value. We've also provided pricing support to many of our COEs and UMAs by analysing their portfolios and providing insight to new pricing models. This has included work for accident health, I2, bond and guarantee, trucking, engineering, marine, and the property and energy business. Our pricing teams have also been heavily involved in various transactions which are on the go. On the product side, together with our head of Agri, we've revamped our entire Agri product, including building this product on both the broker systems and on our own systems, as well as producing an Afrikaans version of the product to cater for this important sector of our economy. We've also revamped the hospitality and tourism product, along with the underwriting guidelines, and we're busy reworking the sectional title product right now. This is on top of providing the day-to-day underwriting support to the branches, as well as the increased volumes of work arising from COVID, so really well done to the underwriting teams. On the personal lines front, we are continuing the journey to focus on our 3 core products: Easy, Private, and Prestige. With Easy, we're ramping up the onboarding of brokers and we've relaunched the broker portal. This important initiative allows our brokers to quote and make changes to their clients' policies via an online portal, improving service and turnaround times. We've also revamped and launched a new version of Private, Car and Home, and are busy updating our clients and brokers to the latest versions of these benefits, particularly in the binder space. We're also working on updating Prestige, which is our high-end product for the high-net-worth customers. On the data and reporting front, the dashboards have been updated and hard work is now underway on getting off-platform data feeds into the same space. Our team has also enhanced the reporting that we provide for binder performance monitoring, which has been welcomed by the distribution team. To support the drive to insure those previously uninsured, we're now also expanding Mkhani, our low-cost product for residents of informal settlements, to now include businesses in these areas. Lockdown has obviously made it more challenging, but we remain confident that this will progress well over the coming months. On the system product side, we've been very busy with the IT configuration so that brokers can sell our latest products on their own systems, and we're busy migrating our customers to these latest versions. This is happening for both commercial and personal lines, and the project has been running very well. Our risk management team has used innovative tools during the lockdown period, including desktop reviews and assisting with closing risk requirements in the branches. As lockdown restrictions have eased, our risk consultants are gradually heading out to clients now to perform on-site surveys, with appropriate protection in place, of course. Stay safe, guys. You are our brand ambassadors and your safety is vital. Also on the surveying front, you may have seen the communications about our innovative RiskMen project. The RiskMen solution effectively provides a cost-effective way to survey some of our smaller property risks by employing and training graduates to perform these surveys using an intelligent smartphone app. And at the same time, RiskMen is providing jobs and career prospects for our young South Africans, fulfilling Hollard's promise of better futures. Another important aspect of our risk management is in the reinsurance space, which is effectively Hollard's blanket of protection for the risks that we write. Over the last 3 years, our reinsurance team has been able to generate over 80 million in reinsurance savings. And they haven't done this alone. The hard work from the underwriting and risk teams across the business and in the branches to improve our underwriting discipline has also helped to support reinsurer views of our business. This important work on our reinsurance optimization is continuing, and with great work on the reinsurance RFP earlier this year, as well as a successful reinsurance program renewal despite global markets tightening with the pandemic. Thank you also to the Regen team for progressing with the system updates and recons for this important annual process. Looking forward, we're busy exploring further innovations in assessing and pricing risk, including telematics and driver behavior, drones and risk monitoring devices, as well as underwriting engines and auto underwriting. So as you can see, lots and lots of exciting work on the go, and there's still a lot that's still coming. All of these initiatives are geared towards making Hollard Insure better and better at assessing and pricing risk, and operating more efficiently than ever. I'd like to send a big thank you to the branch team for helping to clear the underwriting cases and risk requirements during the lockdown. Thank you also to our CQT champs in the branches and the head office teams and trainers who have been tirelessly working to make the new business process a success. And also to the Joburg branch team who have been working on the integration of the new workflow tools. I'd like to give a special shout out to the product, risk, pricing and underwriting teams for your unwavering dedication, not just during this difficult time, but at all times. And lastly, I want to thank each team in Hollard Insure for your perseverance and enthusiasm in tackling our daily challenges. Many of us are working longer hours now, but we're doing it with passion and good humour, and most importantly, with the future of Hollard Insure in mind. Thank you to all of you. It's truly inspiring to see you in action. On a personal note, the lockdown has had its ups and downs for us. On the upside, I've been really fortunate to be able to spend more time with my wife and our dogs, and my online skills have increased dramatically with collaboration through Teams, Zoom and OneDrive. I'd originally signed up for online guitar lessons at the start of the lockdown, but COVID work has kept me very busy, so I haven't been able to exercise those fingers at all. On the upside, I have learned some new skills, like cutting my wife's hair, and shaving the dogs, and trying out some new recipes. And we've actually had the chance to bond with family and friends online too, through bingo and quiz sessions which we ran over Zoom. But even with all this technology, I really do miss the personal interaction with each of you. And I really look forward to the day when we can meet up in person to share a laugh or a coffee. Until then, I appeal to you to please look after yourself, stay safe, keep warm, and go well. Thank you.